stand still.
Here's a fella going. Oh! Tackle!
And what's your definition of communism?
Communism is a classless, stateless society.
Well, welcome back to the city where it all began for me. This is the city where my van life journey started over 2 years ago. The city where I bought my van from, and I've always said I'm going to come back. And here we are. Welcome to Liverpool. Let's have a little wander around the town today, see what we can see, a bit of a street vlog style. We'll just see what we can see what we can speak to, see what's going on in the city of Liverpool. What we're doing today, guys, do you want to give us a sound bite? No? You? YouTube.
Where are you from?
YouTube.
Well, we're here supporting the Teledyne 3, who are being tried for destroying, or attempting to destroy equipment in the Teledyne factory that supplies F-35 fighter jets, which are used by Israel to kill children in Gaza.
Thank you. Welcome to Liverpool 1. Tell me, guys, does anyone actually still watch the BBC? Answers in the comments below. Hi guys.
Hiya.
What are you doing today? Just give us a little soundbite for YouTube. Anybody?
It's just a bit rude to film people.
We're in public.
I know, it's just rude though.
I was just asking you a question. You don't have to answer, that's fine. But
If
we're
we
in...
came by without a camera maybe, you know.
Go on then, pretend it's not there.
No, I'm alright.
You're alright.
We were packing up anyway, so.
Okay. Well, you know, it's a way to get your message across if you've got something that you want to get across. It's sort of
No, we
publicity.
do that to people in person usually without cameras, because then we
Right.
can talk to them properly, you know what I mean?
Okay. Everyone's got cameras though. You've got one in your pocket, yeah?
Yeah, but not out.
But it's no crime to film in public.
Yeah, it's not a crime, but it's rude, that's all.
Well, it's not rude, is it?
I'm saying it's rude.
Okay, that's fine. You don't have to speak to us. Do you think it's rude too?
Sorry.
Do you think it's rude?
I do, yeah. But,
Okay.
I would talk to you if you asked me to talk to you without the camera.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
was perfectly wrong.
I was just asking what you were doing, that's all. We were just having a look.
Yeah. You interested in politics?
To be honest, no, not really.
No?
No.
Yeah, well,
Because I think it's all the same.
yeah.
Yeah. I don't swing either way, if you like.
Yeah, well, we think it's pretty important. We don't like politicians.
It's all about division for me.
Oh yeah.
That's my personal opinion,
It
but
is
I try to keep that away from the channel as such. I like to get everyone's different opinions.
Yeah, I hear that.
You know what I mean? It doesn't matter whether I agree or disagree. I like to give everyone a voice, if you like.
Right.
But I appreciate not everybody wants to be on camera.
What's
That's
your
fine.
YouTube?
Queen of Freedom.
Queen of Freedom?
Yeah, so it's just a street vlog style video today. So we're just speaking to
Alright.
different people, that's all, and just find it. Yeah, there you go. No
This
worries.
is about communism.
Yeah, the camera's pointing on that. It's not pointing on anyone at the minute. Yeah. And what's your definition of communism?
Communism is a classless, stateless society that we want to fight to get to. And we believe in the working class. We believe in unity of the working class. We don't believe in unity with rich people like Nigel Farage or Keir Starmer, or indeed Andy Burnham. If you look at our paper,
He's in Manchester today, I believe.
well,
I believe he's doing something in Manchester today, Mr. Burnham.
he's done a lot in Manchester, but mainly to help developers, property developers in Manchester, not really to help the people.
Following the money then.
Yeah, he definitely is.
Yeah.
There's very good expose on him on Zoe Bread's channel on Instagram, who gives a good account of what's going on. So that's a really good information.
Yeah.
About it.
Yeah.
I'm a very honest Instagram poster who tends to tell things as they are. We quite admire what she does.
So you've got these papers and all this literature and stuff here. So who funds this?
Who funds it? We do.
What, out of your own pocket?
Out of
literally?
our own pocket, or if you want to buy any of it, it's obviously costs, because everything costs.
Of course,
This
yeah.
paper costs £2 because we have to sell it.
Yeah.
But as far as we're not funded by anybody else. In fact, we make a point of it, but not being funded by anybody else. We fund it ourselves. We make a big sacrifice. Each of our comrades makes a huge sacrifice to be involved in the movement. So I don't know who would fund us.
Yeah. No, it was just a
who
question.
would fund communism now? The rich wouldn't fund communism. The billionaires wouldn't fund communism. Neither Elon Musk wouldn't fund communism, the richest man in the world. He's funding the right wing, he's funding the fascists on the street who are causing huge amounts of problems. He's funding them. So we wouldn't get anything off a billionaire, whether it be Elon Musk, whether it be George Soros, whether it be anybody else. We fund ourselves. That's exactly where they are.
That answers my question, thank you very much. I just always think when I see all that, I mean obviously you've not got the big PAs and everything, but I always think who's funding this setup, do you know? It's got to come from somewhere, like you say, everything costs money, doesn't it?
It costs money, and I think you find that people put hands in the pockets to pay for all that. I think people who say it costs money, it's just nonsense.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for your time.
All right.
Rolex, anyone? We've got one for 15,000. Or if your budget's not going to stretch to that, we've got one for 7,000 there. Cufflinks, 5,000. Got a beautiful voice. Loads of buskers out on Church Street, Lord Street. Security in Primark. 2 security guards outside Primark. 3 security guards in Primark.
Blessings, thinking this through, it's like 1, 2, yeah, I'm in love with you.
Stop it! Stand still.
Here's a fella going. Tackle. Oh, lads. You can start a little way back.
Yo,
What's that your business for? Why is that anyone else's
we're in
business?
public.
Why is it anyone else's business? You're a horrible kid, you know. Why is that anyone else's business? Horrible cunt, you.
Don't trust me.
You get to live in out of Liverpool, people like you know. Your time is up soon, kid.
Yeah, come in, Anyone else? Harry, to the back. To the back.
Laat, you should all of us are okay doing it. I'm looking to run over and Only better to do.
Nope.
Yeah, just.
See you later.
What's he been lifted for?
Yeah, if you see what's going on, you can go for a
Well, this is unusual for Liverpool. We've got the bus, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police cars. Top of Church Street. Queen of Freedom.
Queen of Freedom. Do you know what he did?
Nah. Do you know what he did?
No, he's got it.
I just saw him getting lifted, so...
You reporting live?
Reporting live for the
happened?
BBC.
What happened?
Have you paid your TV licence?
What happened?
I have no idea.
You're trying to get me in there too.
I have no idea. You got yourself in.
She's trying to have me in the back.
You got yourself in. So this is the corner of Church Street. Yeah, there we go, Church Street. Matrix. The Matrix are in town. Liverpool on a weekday afternoon. Wow. There we go. Always a bit of action wherever you go. Well, Mr. Billy Moore's going to be gutted that he's not in Liverpool today. He's probably in Manchester and he's missing all the action in Liverpool. There's coppers everywhere. And it's now 5:30 and still really busy in town. Really busy. Seeing absolutely loads of these things in town today. So I would not want to be parking on one of these streets because they're a little bit keen with tickets around here. So this is the first one of these that I've seen in any city where you can just press this and get instant emergency help of women walking alone at night or anything like this. First one I've seen of these in a city. So well done Liverpool for that. Well, Bold Street is definitely the place to come if you want some scran, because there is absolutely everything here. Chinese, Indian, fish and chips, Turkish, Subway, Greggs, all the lot. But that fish and chips from Johnny English there was absolutely beautiful, so big up them guys. So we're just going to continue having a little walk around, see what we can see. It's late on in the afternoon now, but it's really, really busy. And what a beautiful city, what a beautiful city, and the people are so friendly as well. So big up the Scousers. Well, it's been a little bit of a eventful day in Liverpool city centre today. Apparently it's very unusual to see coppers in town. But not today, not when I'm here. Typical. Guys, I have absolutely loved another day in Liverpool today. Stay tuned for more content to come from this beautiful city. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the hype button if you can find it, and please consider becoming a member. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified when more content drops. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.